students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 4th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 6, a memorable trip to Goa. Today we will do exercises. Fill in the blanks. First one, the roaring sound was the sound of the dash crashing on the dash. Answer is majestic waves and sandy beach. The roaring sound was the sound of the majestic waves crashing on the sandy beach. The roaring sound was the sound of the majestic waves crashing on the sandy beach. Second one, Chintu did not pay attention to the dash of the scooter driver. Answer is strict instructions. Chintu did not pay the attention to the strict instructions of the scooter driver. Third one, Chintu had watched many dash. Answer is detective serials. Chintu had watched many detective serials. Fourth question is, the two men were actually dash for amazing advertisements. Answer is talent scouts. The two men were actually talent scouts for amazing advertisements. Fifth question is, the men were searching for children who could advertise a dash. Answer is children's health drink. The men were searching for children who could advertise a children's health drink. Next one, answer the following questions. Now let's see some of the answer the following questions from the lesson A Memorable Trip to Goa. First question is, why was Chatterbox Chintu silent? Answer is, when the children reached the beach along with their parents, they saw the majestic waves of the sea crashing on the sandy beach. The sight was so beautiful that it took their breath away, and even the chatterbox Chintu became silent for a moment. Second question is, how did Chintu fall in the sea? And the answer is, Chintu and his family were enjoying the water scooter ride in the sea so much that Chintu started imagining himself as the dashing James Bond. In spite of the strict instruction by the scooter driver to hold him tightly, Chintu started waving to his imaginary fans in excitement and fell into the sea the moment the scooter took a sharp turn. And Chintu fall in the sea. Third question is, which incident made Chintu very furious? And the answer is, Chintu and Tina saw two men during water scooter driving and noticed that wherever they went, those two men also appeared there. They were even staying in the same hotel as theirs. One day, Chintu caught them taking his and Tina's picture. This incident made him furious. Fourth question is, who helped Chintu nab the villains? And the answer is the steady bellboy, a hotel staff member with whom Chintu was friends, helped him in nabbing the villains. Fifth question is, explain the real identity of the villains. And the answer is, the villains were actually talent scouts for amazing advertisements. They were looking for children for a health drink advertisement for which Chintu and Tina appeared perfect. Vocabulary. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. First one is the dash guard was looking after the princess. Answer is study. The study guard was looking after the princess. Second question is the ride on the roller coaster was a dash experience. Answer is thrilling. The ride on the roller coaster was a thrilling experience. Third one, we dash at the beauty of the Taj Mahal. Answer is gaped. We gaped at the beauty of the Taj Mahal. Fourth question is the old man was dash when the ball hit the window pane. Answer is furious. The old man was furious when the ball hit the window pane. Next question is Meeta dash with delight on getting the highest mark in the science test. Answer is squealed. Meeta squealed with delight on getting the highest mark in the science test. Now, language and grammar. Let's solve the language and grammar. Fill in the blanks using will or can. First one, Shweta dash join the team soon. Answer is will. Shweta will join the team soon. Second question is dash you help me. Answer is can. Can you help me? Third one, you dash be late if you don't hurry. Answer is will. You will be late if you don't hurry. Fourth question is dash I come in. Answer is can. Can I come in? Fifth one, I dash do this on my own. Answer is can. I can do this on my own. Sixth one, I dash go home early today. Answer will. I will go home early today. Make sentences using can or will as directed. Can, ability. I can run very fast. Can, request. Can you please lend me a pencil? Third one, can, permission. Can I take this book? Fourth one, will, decision. The principal will meet you after school. Fifth one, will, prediction. The sky is cloudy. I think it will rain. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Write all the question answers from the lesson A Memorable Trip to Goa. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.